Seasons. The seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. They are winter, spring, autumn, and summer. Winter. It is cold in winter. It snows in some places. People wear warm clothes to keep them warm. Spring. It is not so cold in spring. Trees grow new plants. There are flowers everywhere. Autumn. It is cooler in autumn and leaves fall off some trees. Summer. In summer, weather is hot. People wear light clothes. How seasons change. The Earth is not only turning on its axis, it is also moving around the sun. The Earth takes about 365 days to circle the sun. We call this period of time a year. During a year, different parts of the Earth get different amounts of sunlight for a period of time. We called these periods seasons. In the summer season, there is more daylight and the days are longer. In winter, there is less daylight and the days are shorter.